Hello and welcome to yet another unboxing video. So here I have a box which I haven't opened yet, and let's see what's inside. So starting with the unboxing. So I'm going to open it right in front of you so that we both can see which watch we are talking about here. I'm pretty much excited about this watch. The main reason is I got it in a pretty real nice deal, and let's see if it stays good. So the packing is pretty neat and well packed. So here, okay, so there's a personal message from the seller. So you can see that it's an OTUMM watch. So from here you can know that it's an OTUMM watch, and let's see. So to talk about the watch, this is basically OTUMM Athletics 45 mm version with a leather strap. So I really like the look of the leather strap. I did not like, OTUMM also comes with silicone or rubber strap, but I don't know, I did not like that look, but this was pretty much looking in my opinion, but let's see how it looks in real. So there's a lot of packing, and the box is pretty neat. Box, again, OTUMM branding here. Okay, so it comes with a manual and a warranty card, right? And this is the watch. So guys, I feel it looks really nice. I really like the leather, and here it's brushed, but here it's glossy, so it gives it a nice shiny look, distinct look. Okay, and so well, I'm pretty much satisfied with the look of the watch because it looks really nice. There is a plastic wrap on top of this. Okay, so that's all. And see how it looks. It looks awesome. So this is quartz movement, but it's a Swiss quartz movement, and the build quality wise, I think it's really nice. Genuine leather strap, and OTUMM has pretty much nice looking watches, and it looks on the wrist. Although it's 45 mm, I mean it doesn't look that huge on the wrist, and it looks pretty much perfect. I would say the fitting, it's perfect for my wrist, my 6.5 inch wrist, and I really like how it looks and how it shines. I mean, I'm not a fan of watches which are completely, glossy or polished, but this is special because this is pretty much brushed here, and only the bezel is polished. So that's acceptable for me, and I really like it. So I will give you a close up of the dial. So that's how the dial looks. One of the problems I feel is that the battery is maybe down. Okay, so it is running now. So it was pulled out, and that may be the reason why it was not running now. But now you can see that it's running. So I had to just push back the crown to make it running again. So I tried the chronograph function. So I stopped it and reset it. Okay. So that also works. Although there is a small like it's not major, but in the small hand of the chronograph, it is not aligned to the 60 when I reset it. Maybe it's some setting that I need to explore more. It reset like 5 minutes before 60, so is it something that has got to do with the settings or not? I have to check. But otherwise, chronograph is functional, the watch is running, so I'm pretty much happy with the purchase. So I'll just show you how the dial is, and what's written on the back of the dial. It says water resistant 10 ATM, that's like 100 meters. It is okay. Hardened mineral, so it's not sapphire, but it's hardened mineral crystal. All stainless steel, and then it has the model number. Okay, and it's given OTUMM and the website. So that's pretty much it. It's a decent, it's a nice looking watch. So if you like the look of OTUMM and if you get it in a good deal, see, do not go by the prices in the website, because I believe in websites like Amazon and everywhere you can get it for much cheaper price. So when you're buying this brands like and things like that, you never go with the website prices. Usually outside you are definitely going to find them much cheaper, and then only like it's actually worth for the price you pay for it. So hope you guys like the video. If you do, please hit on the like button and subscribe to my video. And I'll see you soon with another review or unboxing. Thanks. Bye.